Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to youtube.com and then click your profile and click YouTube Studio. Perfect. Then give a name of your channel, for example, animals and pets. Then write your username, for example, animals and pets, example, official. Then click create channel. Now congratulations, this is your channel YouTube. Now you can easily add a photo of your channel. Click here and click here and scroll down and click into picture, click upload. And now select a picture of your profile. For example, I'll select this one. You can easily adjust it and click done. That's it. And also you can select a banner image of your channel also, but it must be this resolution. Okay, so let's go to google.com and go to Pixabay, one of the best websites. You can find a bulk of picture. You can use it for your channel, for example, animals, and it's free, it's not copyright image. You can select, example, this one, click download and select it with a high resolution. Okay, then click download. Now should be to have an account in Pixabay to download picture. Perfect. Then click download, select this one and click download. Perfect. This is the picture. Save it into your computer and go back to your channel. Click upload and select. So that's it. Then click done. Perfect. And write a small description of your channel, for example. Then this is the URL of your channel YouTube, and you can here add a links of your social media, and also here you can add your email, for example, for contacting and collaboration. Okay, and here you can also add a watermark that's appear on your videos. Okay, upload and select a subscribe pictures, example like this. Click done. So that's it. Perfect. So after that, click publish, click view channel. So that is your channel YouTube. You can easily upload a video. Just click here and click upload video, and you can upload a video. For example, upload this one, and here give a title of your video, for example, adorable tiger, and write a small description. You can select a thumbnail for your video. Here, if your videos make for kids, tap yes. If click yes, if not, click no. then go down and add tags, for example animals, pets, cats, tiger, lion. Then select a language of your video, for example English. Go down and select a category for your video, example pets and animals. Then click next. You can add a subtitle. Click next, then click next, and make the video public. Click public and click publish, and this is the link of your video. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.